Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the mystery kit for September. This mystery kit was shipped today, which for me is Sunday, August 25th. Well, the labels are printed and then it was job Monday, which is tomorrow for me, August 26th. If you want to sign up for the monthly subscription, we will have spots open next month, but this subscription in my hands is no longer available. So if you sign up next month, and that would be on the September 15th at noon Eastern, and that's pending availability for spots, then you will get the October mystery kit, which I'm super hyped about the October mystery kit. It is so pretty. October, November, honestly, all of them are pretty. I have, I think, almost all of them done until June of next year, so I'm really excited. But this one, it kind of had a theme in mind. I'll go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit first, and then I will show you guys the mini kit. So this month, the ultimate kit, the theme is kind of like Stay in Bed 2.0. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I had a mystery kit that, was it a mystery kit or was it, I think it might have just been like a regular kit, but it was called Stay in Bed and it was super popular still to this day. I think it's in the shop, sells pretty well. I'm pretty sure it's in the shop because I remember restocking it. But it's like a purple kit, purple and all different grays, and I drew it many moons ago, and it was really popular. So I decided that we needed to do a Stay in Bed 2.0 with pink. We haven't done like an all pink kit in a while, so I was really excited to do this. Let's go ahead and go through the kit itself first, and then I'll go through all of the freebies that are included. So let's go ahead and go through the kit first. So the new kits, if you guys have been watching the new release videos, have the new logo on them. Then I don't think October, Cyber Monday Mystery, or I think those are the only two that might not have the new logo. And then I think I was able to update everything else prior to print. So these will be the last two then, this one and October, with the old logo and fonts on the weekend banner and things like that. So this one is, like I said, is very like stay at home, kind of an anytime kit, which is perfect. Very cozy pink. Love everything about it. And I love the way that monochromatic kits with like a pop of one color look in my planner. This is going to look especially cool with silver. You could even really honestly probably do rose gold or even hollow with this kit just because it is pretty neutral. But you have your full boxes here, you have your double boxing, you have a girl, you have a bunch of different flat lays and things like that here. You have your ombre heart checklist, you have the faux silver looking glitter throughout. You have your half box page, you have your functional page. I love these colors. You have an extra box here with the pancakes, which is so dang cute. The pancakes is probably my favorite, and that's why I put it on the journaling card, which you guys will see. You have your little things page, you have your headers page, you have your deco, which I love this. Also, these are in the wrong order, so it says Stay, Let's, in Bed, but they are cut separately, so you can just put them in the right order. But Ryan actually caught this whenever he was cutting them and was like, is this okay? And I was like, what's wrong? I thought something was cut off, and he's like, oh, they're just in the wrong order. He's like, should I pick them all up and switch them? I'm like, no, Ryan, that's extra. But that's the functional. And then you have the bottom washi, which is marble, which you could totally use with really any kit. You could also make this last longer with our marble multicolor if you have any of that. And then you do have the Munchkin freebie on there. So the kit itself is $30 plus shipping, which is our kits in shop, our ultimate kits are $29.95 plus shipping, so it's 5 cents more. Don't know why I did that, but you know, it was a long time ago I made the price of this. With this, you do get a ton of extras. So you do get the Fashion Girls. These are just kind of like chilling with headphones on. Then you get the 15mm strip, which has kind of like a faux fur look with it. You have the glitter headers, which are super cute. The label sampler, which I feel like these are neutral, so they could go with a lot of different things. You do also get a glossy wiggle with marble, and this has silver with the marble in the background. You do get a full wiggle, which these do retail for $10 whenever we put them on a wiggle, and I think they're like $15 whenever they're just in the shop regularly. So this is the bow headers. You have the date covers. Again, this marble you could put with a lot of different things. So if you don't want to use it with this kit, this does match most of our marbles in our kits. You have the circle icons, and then you also have the 15mm strips. And then last but not least, you do get the journaling card in both the ultimate and the mini kit. So this has the pancake here, rounded corners. I love this like matte texture with the marble with the glitter in the background. And then back here it just says a little bit about, you know, the inspiration for the kit. And then for ultimate subscribers, it talks about the freebies that come with it. Mini kits, if you have FOMO, the foil, definitely message us if you want to upgrade prior to the 1st. We can do that for you. And then also, if this isn't your cup of tea, definitely check out the buy sell trade. Usually when mystery kits go up, they sell pretty fast, just because a lot of them don't, like, people don't sell them usually. So definitely check there, and also goes for the same if you're not a subscriber but want to get your hands on this mystery kit. The buy sell trade is the only place to get it. I do keep the mystery art exclusive to the kits for about a year. I have some from last year coming back pretty soon, like last year, October, I think is the first one. Or no, September is going to be the first one that I reformatted. I reformatted from last year. I reformatted September, October, and December, I believe. So those will all be coming in their respective months. So that's the ultimate kit. The mini kit is right here. So the mini kit is the more affordable option, but it does not come with all the extras because, like I said, it's the more affordable option. So this is the same price as the mini kits in shop. So you do get the mini kits, you have the freebies, you have the full boxes, you have the half boxes, you have the functional page, you have the deco, and then you also have the bottom washi, so your standard mini kit. And then the extras you get for being a subscriber are you do get the label sampler, which is a $2 value, along with the glitter sampler, which is also a $2 value. And then you also do get the journaling card as well. And I've really been liking putting these in. I used to put journaling cards in, but then people didn't really like, they were like, what do I use these for? But I feel like these are pretty simple enough, and it has a lot of information on the back that I feel like sometimes people had questions about. So I'm going to continue putting them in, and I think they're really cute, and I feel like I'm actually making a journaling card mural on my wall, and I'm putting all of these up there, and I think it's gonna be super cute, and I can't wait to take a picture of it once it's all filled up. But that's kind of an idea what you could do, or put them in picture frames and decorate with them, put them in your planners, give them to friends. Bennett loves journaling cards. But that's everything for this month's mystery. Again, you cannot get this subscription anymore. If you sign up on the 15th of September, you will get the October mystery. But that's everything for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys like this month's theme. Next month's theme is really amazing. Honestly, all of them, because I'm thinking about all of them. I'm just like so excited because I'm like ready to use them all. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.